a series that I just watched on You. You know You? It's like Joe Goldenberg and Beck. I'm
Baho ng hininga mo.
How about you?
Amoy vinegar.
Me, like, I lang talaga in my room and I just, nagkain lang ako ng, taters?
Thank you, Ethan!
You know taters?
Yeah,
the popcorn.
Yeah.
It's so good talaga. You should try that too.
Yeah.
It's so good talaga. Like, legit. Like, you wanna go to Arms? Said kasi you bought toyo daw in the canto. You bought toyo?
No. I didn't.
You bought toyo. I saw you holding a toyo.
With
galonggong. You know
Sleeping Beauty ka dyan?
Jogi sing. It's my baby right there. Hello po! Ako po si Maloy. Ano ang pangalan nyo? Kaya po ba ang Ikaw, Mix.
Ayoko.
Kaya
Wala
mo yan,
talaga.
go.
Wala makakapilit sa akin na gumawa dyan.
Hello po! Kaya po ba ang Nice to meet you po!
Oo nga. Grabe yung effort ni Ate Maloy. Wala.
Di ba?
Nawalan na tayo ng ilong.
Kaya pa ng kinis. Dapat yan para real na real!
Real magic! Taste the feeling!
Hindi kaya naman na yan tayo.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, girl.
Ang cute! Ang cute! Hindi ko mag- Hindi ka parang klase din. Basta mo? Sobrang puti ko. Ha? Hindi ko yun ano.
Sino yun yung tatlong pare?
Tandaan mo yan, ha?
Hindi, sila yung Three Musketeers. They are the Three Musketeers.
Uy, pero Blooms, dapat alam natin yun.
Ano nga yun?
Isagong burza.
Telling